Hello. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get the Webflow discounts for students, the 90% off an annual CMS on a site plan. Um, Here, there is a website, okay, link in the description. If you click on Apply Now, it's gonna prompt you with a typeform form, okay? Do not do this form. I mean, too many people do it, so it's like overcrowded, and I think they don't even read. I guess this is just a guess because I didn't get a reply in months. The only thing that worked for me to get a reply is go to this forum, okay? And there was it here? Here, yeah, here, sorry. I found this email, okay? Maybe note it down. I'm gonna post the link of this forum. Anyway, it's publicly available, this stuff, so I mean, if I share it with you, I think there is no problem. You just send an email to this email here, and in 2 days, you're gonna get your student discount. Okay, that's as easy as that. I mean, you should send the email with like an educational email address, for example, like .edu final, but doesn't have to be like .edu. I mean, could be even your university dot something. Okay. Um, and it worked for me. Okay, I hope it works for you and you're gonna get some value from this video. Check the links in the description. I see you in the next one.